We have a good team behind us, and I think this is one of the best companies that I've ever worked for.
I've been with HomeLink now for 2 years, and it's one of the best jobs I've ever had. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, we're okay, Kate.
Lovely.
Come in.
Thank you,
Come in,
darling.
girl.
From the get-go, HomeLink was all about creating this clinical community where clinicians could actually deliver great clinical care.
I used to be a deputy care manager until just under 2 years ago, and it was just too stressful. I saw this job advertised and I thought, this sounds good. You're kind of like your own boss, but you know there's support there if you need it.
From a clinical perspective, we have 24/7 on call, so there's always somebody at the end of the phone should any of our clinicians have any concerns.
The light bulb moment for me to join HomeLink came when I sadly lost my dad unexpectedly. I realised that time was precious, so I decided to join HomeLink for a better work-life balance.
They can work in the way they want to work, they can give that real one-to-one care.
Perfect, lovely, all within normal range.
It's a great place to work. We offer a whole range of flexible working conditions. Many of our staff are part-time.
They're more flexible with my hours. I've got 2 small children at home.
The thing that most nurses and healthcare support workers and physios come back and say is that it's the time they've got with people that's so important.
You want to be able to support your patients, work with your patients, have time to care for your patients, not be bogged down in endless bureaucracy and paperwork.
We're not rushed with the patients, which is what I like, because everybody is different, everybody's individual, and they all need different amount of care.
And we do allow travel time from home to home so that patients aren't getting a stressed person rushing through the door.
You're given plenty of travel time to get to your patients. It gives you time to stop and have a coffee somewhere. You're able to kind of recoup and reset for your next patient.
What we want to do at HomeLink is make sure our staff are well looked after, because that has a knock-on effect on patients.
So we run an annual staff engagement survey through a company called the Happiness Index. The global average score is 7.8 and HomeLink scored 8.4.
You're blaming it on me. This is how I ended up in this position, Bob, I'm not going to lie.
We have a range of flexible benefits.
We offer 33 days holiday inclusive of bank holidays, plus you get an extra day off paid for your birthday. Our staff have access to various sites that give them discounts. We have an employee assistance programme to get some help, including counselling.
Chance to be a fine thing.
They're a grand bunch of nurses, you know, always have a little time for you to talk to you.
The job satisfaction for me comes from me giving a little bit of me to somebody else.
I just think HomeLink are brilliant, to be quite honest, and I don't care whether that's on camera or not.